Glass is now an integral part of the automobile. It does much more than keep weather and insects out. It is an important structural component of the vehicle. Windshields are part of the vehicle's safety system, helping to keep passengers in the car should an accident occur. In fact, auto glass now provides 25 to 50% of the vehicle's strength. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration oversees adherence to and testing for compliance with the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards. Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 208 refers to occupant crash protection. This standard specifies performance requirements for the protection of vehicle occupants in crashes. Seats, seat belts, and airbags are all components of the vehicle that have to do with occupant safety. A passenger side airbag deploys off the windshield at 200 miles per hour. If the windshield is not properly installed, the force of the airbag will push the windshield out. Look at what happens in this test. The windshield must be able to withstand the force of the airbag deployment to keep the passenger safe. FMV SS 212 calls for windshield retention. The purpose of this standard is to reduce crash injuries and fatalities by providing for retention of the vehicle windshield during a crash, thereby utilizing fully the penetration resistance and injury avoidance properties of the windshield glazing material, and preventing the ejection of occupants from the vehicle. Testing for adherence to this standard is the same as in FMV SS 208. The vehicle is crashed into a frontal barrier at 30 miles per hour. Occupants must be properly restrained in order to stop ejection from the vehicle, and the windshield is an important part of the restraint system. FMV SS 216 addresses roof crush resistance and sets the standard for strength requirements for the passenger compartment roof. The test procedure is intended to test the strength of the roof over the front seat occupants by forcing a large flat steel test plate down onto the roof to simulate contact with the ground in rollover crashes. The vehicle's auto glass is a featured part of the roof's strength. If the glass pops out, the strength of the roof decreases. By now, you can see why proper installation of auto glass is important to the ongoing safety of a vehicle.